Don't pop your back and your neck by yourself. You're creating more problems, and later on you're going to suffer with some severe arthritis and things like that because you're overdoing, you're damaging the joints. It's the same thing with the knuckles. Pull them, don't crush them, number one. Go ahead and do it, that's fine, but do it like once a day or once every other day, not 20 times, because your nerves and habits and stuff like that. So that will create bad joints and arthritis in there. And so hopefully that explains why we don't pop our own back, why we don't crack our knuckles so much. It's frequency, it's ligament damage, and it's instability over time. There you go, there you have it.